So today I'm going to show you how to put together a quick and easy card with just some scrap materials. If you remember, earlier this month I showed you how to make your own rubber stamps, and we're using ScraPerfect, best glue ever, and we stamped this cat. Now I took that, cut him out. I went around him with a ballpoint pen or an ink pen, and then I took our blue stamp pad and a makeup brush and just kind of went around the edges. Okay, and so now I have a piece that I can use to make a card with, and that was just from a scrap that we were trying to see how the stamps would work. So what I have here is I have the best glue ever. I have some washi tape from the dollar store. I have these cute little alcohol ink flowers that I made earlier in the year. If you want the tutorial, I put a link to it on how I made these. But these are flowers from the dollar store that I took off of the stem, and then we colored them, and then we used a gem from the dollar store to put in the center, and you can change the color of those gems as well. So I have those, and they have a little stickiness on the back of them, but I'll use a little glue to help them along. And then I have a coordinating piece of paper that goes pretty well with the color on the cat. Okay, so I am just going to take my card that I've cut to size, and I am just going to add some glue to the back, getting close to the edge but not too close, and then I'm just going to place that on my cardstock that I've cut down to size. Now I use cardstock from the copy store, and I just cut them to the size I want and cut and score, and then I can make a card any size I want. I can also make envelopes any size I want. So there I have attached the paper, and now I'm going to put the cat in place. And when I go to put him down, I am just going to place him a little bit higher than center. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I want to put the tape down at the bottom. So I am just going to center him left to right, and then, have a little bit less space up at the top. You can use a ruler for this if you want. I just kind of eyeball everything. Alright, now I'm going to take my washi tape, run it across the bottom here, and I'm going to use a craft knife to cut this, although I could just tear it as well. Alright, and so then the next step is to add our flowers on the back. Add glue on the back of the flowers. And I want this guy here and this one right below it to coordinate. Should have put the white one on first. But let's see if I can get him up in there. Okay, so something like that. Super cute. Quick and easy. Okay, and then just to add a little attention to the inside, I'm going to add the washi tape here as well, just to give a little sneak inside. You could do a quick little drawing that matches up with what's out there. I could my washi tape stuck everywhere. I could, if you remember our little fish, we could, you know, stamp a little fish inside to go with the cat if we want. Or we could do it on our envelope too. So there, quick, easy card that we made from some of the just, you know, scraps or tests from our last project. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you here on the ScraPerfect blog twice a month with new craft tutorials.